Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure as we explore the unknown facts about a beloved Chinese dish that's been tantalizing taste buds for centuries: Chinese sour and spicy noodles. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mouth-watering content. Now, let's slurp into the world of these delectable noodles. The origin. First up, did you know that the origin of Chinese sour and spicy noodles can be traced back to the Sichuan province of China? These noodles are deeply rooted in the region's rich culinary history, known for its bold and fiery flavors. Sichuan cuisine is famous for its use of Sichuan peppercorns, which give the noodles their signature numbing and tingling sensation. This unique blend of spiciness and tanginess makes these noodles a true culinary masterpiece. Types of noodles. Now, let's talk noodles. While you may have seen these noodles served in various forms, did you know that there are different types of noodles used in Chinese sour and spicy noodles? Depending on the region and personal preferences, you can find these noodles made from wheat, rice, or even sweet potato starch. Each type of noodle adds its own distinct texture to the dish, making it a versatile and ever-evolving culinary experience. Balanced flavors. What makes Chinese sour and spicy noodles truly remarkable is their balance of flavors. It's not just about heat, it's about achieving the perfect harmony of flavors. The dish combines the heat from chili peppers with the sourness from vinegar and the umami from ingredients like soy sauce and minced pork. This delicate balance is what makes these noodles incredibly addictive. Cultural significance. Chinese sour and spicy noodles aren't just a delicious meal, they also hold cultural significance. In China, they are often served during special occasions and celebrations. The act of sharing a bowl of these noodles symbolizes unity, joy, and prosperity. It's a tradition that brings people together, making these noodles not just a culinary delight but also a cultural treasure. Regional variations. While we've been talking about the Sichuan version of Chinese sour and spicy noodles, it's essential to note that there are regional variations that reflect the diversity of Chinese cuisine. For example, in Chongqing, you'll find a Chongqing spicy noodle that takes the heat to another level with its fiery chili oil, while in Hunan, they use a combination of fresh chilies and pickled chilies for a unique twist. Versatile ingredients. Chinese sour and spicy noodles are incredibly versatile when it comes to ingredients. You can find variations that include ingredients like peanuts, preserved vegetables, or even seafood, offering a wide range of flavors and textures. So, don't be afraid to experiment with your own creative twists on this classic dish. Health benefits. Did you know that there are potential health benefits to indulging in Chinese sour and spicy noodles? The capsaicin in chili peppers, which gives the dish its spiciness, may boost metabolism and have anti-inflammatory properties. Of course, moderation is key, but it's fascinating to think that a dish known for its bold flavors might also have some health perks. International popularity. Chinese sour and spicy noodles have gained immense popularity internationally. They've become a beloved dish in countries like the United States, where you can find them on the menu at many Chinese restaurants. This global popularity shows just how much people from different cultures appreciate the complex and delightful flavors of this dish. Street food delight. If you ever visit China, be sure to try Chinese sour and spicy noodles from street food vendors. These vendors often have their secret recipes, and the experience of enjoying this dish in its place of origin is truly special. It's not just about the food, it's about the atmosphere, the bustling streets, and the rich tapestry of flavors that make it an unforgettable culinary journey. DIY at home. Now, here's the best part: you can recreate this culinary masterpiece right in your own kitchen. Chinese sour and spicy noodles are surprisingly easy to make at home, and you can customize them to suit your taste. There you have it, folks. Chinese sour and spicy noodles, a dish that's not only mouthwateringly delicious but also steeped in history and culture. If you enjoyed learning these unknown facts about this iconic dish, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your foodie friends. And as always, let us know in the comments which food topic you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the world of food.